welcome back to another Walmart beauty box unboxing. So this one is the fall beauty box, version 1 apparently. There was the normal one, or for 20 bucks extra you could upgrade it. Normally I would have upgraded, but I just did not have the extra money at the time that I needed it to upgrade by. And of course right after the cutoff for when that ended, then I had the money, but too little, too late, so I have just the basic one. But that's okay, because seeing what's in here, one item I was like, dude, I don't know if I would have still gotten this if I'd had the other one, and I'm kind of in love with it. And it is this headband right here by Heritage by Mindy McKnight. Like, it's this blue cable knit headband. I'm like, it's blue and it's cable knit. Holy crap. It's like this was intended for me specific. And I have been dying to do this unboxing ever since I peeked at what all was in there. Because I want to wear this. I want to wear it like now. I want it on my head. But it's got like zip ties on it, so I'm going to have to like cut those. So I can't put it on right this second. But oh, I cannot wait to wear it. It's so cute. And it's so soft. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks like something I could make. But like, I legit love it. So I have these Luna Magic Beauty with a Vibe Happy X fake lashes, which are very fluttery, very lovely looking, very Liza Minnelli-esque. I still need to learn how the hell to apply them, but whenever I get that figured out, I have some Liza lashes, and I am stoked for it. I'm like, holy crap, those are like perfect Liza lashes. Then we have Ombi, the Skin Tone Authority, Even and Clear Facial Moisturizer with Sunscreen. Hydrating formula, no white residue, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E with SPF 30. So there's probably enough for like one use in this, but still, I can get a feel for it. In the booklet it says this stuff costs $14.47 for the full size, so that's not terrible for sunscreen, especially a moisturizing one, so honestly, I'm not even mad about that. Like, legit, that's pretty good. This I've had before. I also love it, so I'm stoked to have more of it. It's the Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer, so I could have sworn I reviewed this like years ago, because I know I've had it like 2 or 3 times from Ipsy before, but I think maybe I just used it and forgot to do the thing. So I have another one that I can still review. Plus I also have the same scent that I just got with like a body butter from them, also from Ipsy, so I'm like, okay. But yeah, I love the scent of this one. This one is just absolutely heavenly. Oh, yes. My mom actually has the full-size bottle of this, but I just love this one. This is one I would totally upgrade and buy the full-size bottle of too, especially if I found it at TJ Maxx for like $8 like she did for the full-size bottle. Do you know what the full-size hemp bottles, or Hemp's bottles usually go for? Like 24 bucks. So 8 is not bad if you can find it for that. There's also a liquid IV energy multiplier in here. This one is in Yuzu Pineapple. See, I don't think I realized that liquid IV came in as many flavors as it does till I started getting them in these little Walmart boxes. I've had like 5 flavors at this point. Only one of them did I have to give to my mom, but it worked out perfectly because she got like way dehydrated from her chemo, so worked out great. Now she found a product that she likes, so good for her. And then there is this Suave Up the Volume shampoo and conditioner in here with amino acid complex. It moisturizes and lifts the hair with the volume and cleanses and volumizes for the shampoo side. Is it color safe? It doesn't say, but it is sulfate free, so that leads me to believe it's at least better than like regular shampoo when it's sulfate free. Whether or not it's truly color safe, I don't know. But then again, no shampoo is 100% color safe. They all fade my damn hair. So, I mean, it is what it is. But anyway, that's all I got in here. But honestly, I'm pretty happy with the stuff I got in this. Even if it is, like, the base version of the box. Like, I don't know what was in the upgraded one. And honestly, I don't even particularly want to go peek because I don't want to make myself jealous. But what I found even more interesting was looking at the little booklet. The hair accessories were different for everyone. So it was just by total lucky chance that I got a blue cable knit one. So I'm like, holy crap, yes! But yeah, anyway, I'm in love with that damn headband. Anyway, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.